Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to unbox my Canon EOS R7. So because I am in middle of deciding which one I want to get, R8 or R7. Right now I'm recording with R8, so I got this one to compare with these two, which one is going to be better for me. So we'll see. Usual stuff, battery, charger, and the camera itself is here, and that's pretty much all you get in the box. So let me get the battery, and the rest of it I'll put on the side. So here is the camera. Okay, right out of the box I immediately can see this is a little bit bigger than my Canon EOS R8. Actually I do like this grip than my R8, but the only downside of this camera is it's a crop sensor. So this is my first crop sensor camera, so I have to decide which one I wanna go with. So without any further delay, let's open this thing, power it on, and we'll see how this looks when I'm gonna make a video right now indoors. So right now I'm recording with the Canon EF24-70 f4 lens. So as you can see the quality, this is my first time using this lens. Also I just got recently. So what do you guys think? I see there is no background blur because it's f4 lens. So but we'll see how it goes. I do like prime lenses for indoor videos, but I did not got one. I need something where I can get a little bit reach. So with this lens I can actually get the reach. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So this is its Canon battery that comes with it. I do have a couple of these laying down because previously I had Canon EOS RP and also had a Canon EOS R before. So I do have two battery for this camera that I can use if I get this one. I am actually planning to get wildlife photography, bird photography videos. So, and I already ordered Tamron 150 to 600 lens as well. So for that lens, this camera should be more suitable because 32 megapixel and it has more reach, which I do like. So we'll see. Let me turn this thing on. Actually I have to put the memory card in it and see. So I got a SanDisk Extreme Pro card right here. I'm gonna use this in this camera, and we'll see, because I don't want to swipe cards camera to camera immediately. Okay, let's switch this camera with the Canon EOS R8 and see how the video is gonna look. Tripod will be on the same spot, and we'll see the difference. I'm recording in 4K 30. We'll record the same way in this crop sensor. Alright guys, now you can see I'm recording with my Canon EOS R7 with the Canon EF24-70 lens. As you can see right now the tripod is in the same spot. I'm recording with the same setting, same focal length on EOS R7. So this is how it looks. So it's a lot of crop in it, but I do see a little bit difference since it's a 32 megapixel camera and it does have more colors and like pixels, so it looks a little bit better. So let me move it to 24 millimeter and see how it is, because focal length I set on my Canon R8 was 35 millimeters. So let's move it back and see. Alright, so now it is 24 millimeter. I'm recording in 4K 30 with this lens. And what do you guys think? Let me switch to some product and see how it's gonna focus. Still trying to focus on my I guess all the settings are off because I just unboxed it and started using it. It might need to set which things is gonna focus automatically, so I'm gonna switch and we'll see. I'm gonna set it in auto so it can detect whatever things is gonna get front of it. So guys, I just checked in EOS R7. It does not have autofocus switching. Like, it's not gonna switch between subject because it can select one subject at a time. So right now it's select on people, and it's only gonna focus people. That's why whenever I was going to like push my this thing in front of it, it just takes more time. It's actually switching right now, but it was not before. I'm not sure how much range this has because this is a 24mm lens. I think this focus distance has to be on a certain range. So however, if you look at the Canon EOS R8, if you go to subject focus, you can see here it has auto setting, which I can switch, that where it can switch automatically to the different subjects. Like showing right here is people, animals, vehicles, and auto. But in EOS R7 there is no auto setting. I did not see it. So there is only 3 options in R7: people's focus, animals, vehicles, and none. So that was the thing. Maybe if I select on none, it might do it. However, so now I gotta have to record these outdoor videos and see how it's gonna perform. Maybe I should put 28mm here and 28mm with that lens and see which one is gonna perform better. Alright guys, so this is the video coming from Canon EOS R7. As you can see, this is a handheld, and I believe image stabilization is on, and it's on in the sensor as well. So this is a quality from Canon EOS R7 using 24 to 70 lens, f4 lens. It's a L lens. So right now I'm walking normally, and actually it's starting to snow a little bit. So this is how it looks. Trying to stabilize the camera as much as possible in my hand. The crop factor is a big deal actually with this lens. I do prefer this camera as how it feels in my hand, but the R8, it has a full sensor. I like the full sensor view, but the problem is it's just small body and small battery as well. So let's switch to the other side. So I'm recording right now in 4K 30 handheld. Let's switch back, and I'm recording in auto setting, so the camera is doing everything itself, showing me that it's 26mm focal length. Okay, now it's 24. I think I moved the lens a little bit while holding it. So let's switch back and see how it is. Yeah, 2mm is not gonna make a big difference. So yeah, so now I'm gonna record with the Canon EOS R8 handheld video, and I will see you guys can see the difference between them. I'm gonna record Sam with that also in auto setting 4K 30. Alright guys, so now I am recording with the Canon EOS R8. So what do you guys think? This is a handheld footage as well, and as you can see, there is a lot more views in the back, and there is a lot more background blur as well. Actually, I do prefer this video. I think it looks way better than that because I like how it's blurring the background, so I prefer that one. But yeah, I gotta do a couple more tests. I believe I'm probably gonna go with R8, even though it's a small battery, no IBIS in it, but I do have a digital in body image stabilization. So we'll see. Let me switch the view and you guys can see in the front. Now I'll show you the front handheld footage. This digital IBIS is on level 1, and stabilization is also on my lens as well. So what do you guys think? Which one looks more stable? It's really actually hard to stable your camera since this has a smaller grip. With this lens is front heavy now, so that's why it's a little bit hard to stabilize the footage in the handheld. As you can see right now, it's snowing, it's pretty cold, and yeah. So what do you guys think? Do let me know in the comment below. Do let me know in the comment below what you guys think and which one you will choose if you choose one of these Canon cameras. So I'll see you guys in the next one. So if you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.